This is something also you see here in the Philippines. I don't know. This is probably a new construction. You see a lot of older homes. They don't have the finish on the outside. They finish everything inside, but the outside never gets finished. So, Hi Cafe. Oh, he has internet cafe down there. All right. Let's go down here, huh? This is the Rima van, right? Down there. Actually, oops. There is a new development down here. And I don't know how many homes they're building in there, but I think, was it like 1,000 homes almost? Some of these roads are, you know, if you look down this way, it's already paved. And if you look down this way, they have not paved it yet. We just got our road paved, what, 2 months ago, 3 months ago? Or paved, they poured concrete. And we have a little relief from the dust of the dirt road, so that's a good thing. Like here, it looks really nice, cleaned up. How many homes do they have in here now? How many houses?
Thousands, I think.
More than 1,000? Wow. Last time I was here, they only had a few houses there. All right, so where's the property management in here also? Huh? Yeah, property manager. That's what I'm asking. They have an office here now? Oh, okay. All right, I might come down and see them one day. Okay. All right. Bye-bye. Rimawan Homes. My wife says it's hot. She's Filipina. And she can't take the heat.
Yeah, but my color is...
Oh, that's what it is. It's the color. What is it, honey, that Filipinas don't like to get dark skin, while all white people try to get as dark as possible?
Yeah.
Can you explain that?
I don't know, but me, I want to my skin whiter.
Yeah. Change your skin?
Yeah.
To what?
So not to direct the sun.
Yeah, well, yeah, that I can understand. It's, you know, you get half an hour or an hour of this in a day, and I can't show it to you, but the sun is right up there, straight up. It's like 1 o'clock right now, and the sun sits straight up. Looks like they're gonna build something in here too. They demolished the old house and putting up a new one, I guess. Down here, I believe they have like a chicken farm. And here we have a cannery. We walked by it earlier. It's like, man, there's a lot of new houses here. I think this one is newly renovated too. This house here. It is getting hot here, guys. think we've been walking for about 45 minutes, maybe an hour. And the sun is burning us up. So what I'm going to do here to make a little extra mileage, I'm probably just going to jump on my motorcycle, turn the camera on, and we can in a shorter period of time run through this barangay. And we're going to start doing a series of videos that we are going to call places to live in Angeles and Mabalacat, and we're going to try to get a hold. And I started making some efforts, try to get a hold of the barangay captains, and we're going to start interviewing them, talk about a few questions, and do some basic questions to them to get some answers from the leadership and maybe even the barangay police, just to give information to our subscribers. And for those of you that might move to the Philippines, it could be a good idea. We thought that we can have a good idea of just get a little view of what's available if you decide to move here and stay here. A lot of times foreigners come over here and they spend a month here, and the month you spend in a hotel, you can actually rent a house for less money for a whole year if you're coming back here. So this is in our neighborhood, yeah, just maybe 4 or 5 blocks away from our home. And this is the Mabalacat National High School. And on this side they have...
This is where Shan...
Yeah, so this is the, what do you call it? Kindergarten. Preschool, kindergarten for smaller kids. Our nephew went here. Yeah, so yeah, that's his place. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up, and you can tune in for the next one. I'm actually gonna try to put, like I said, I'm gonna try to put down a little bit of mileage by simply just put the camera on my helmet and mic myself up, and then we can drive around in the neighborhood and show you a few more streets, because it's a lot of space in here, a lot of streets. You can't cover it in a short video while you're walking. For now, we wrap it up. Say thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You get updates every time we post a video, and we will try to make it as interesting as possible, and we'll go from there. God bless. Bye bye.